today we're going to test out the anchor, see what that sarcaexcel is going to be like, and we're back to our favourite cove, Jenny Cole's Cove, just next to Blackpool Sands, just outside of Dartmouth, Devon. So we're going to basically have a look around, see where's a good spot to anchor. It's pretty quiet today, and then drop the anchor and see what happens. Yeah, if you would. Yeah, what's the speed?
0.3.
Alright, I'm going to drop the anchor.
8.5 depth.
Copy. So we've dropped the anchor. It held really well. So what we're going to do now is take some hand bearings and then just chill for a bit, see what happens. So for those that don't know, a hand bearing is where you look at this compass, you look at a point on the land, and you put, basically there's a number, the course, or should I say the bearing, and you take a note of that. And what happens is, if you move at anchor, the bearing will change, so that way you know. So what it looks like, hopefully you can see this, is when you look at it, there we go. You can see that I am roughly 10 degrees. That's what my bearing is. So you'd use that to measure where you are and your location. Take 3 of these and then you know you're pretty much static where you are. Also, we look at the chain and the anchor, and you can also feel it in the anchor as well. Okay. So, looking in here, yeah, it seems to be pretty taut. The other thing we need to do, because we're at anchor, is put our anchor ball up, which is this bad boy here.
I think it'd take me a long time to truss an anchor and go to sleep.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you.
Well,
I think I'd get a wink.
Cheers.
If that little splash, I'd be like...
Cheers. Right, anchor, babe.
Yay! Oh, did you record that?
Yeah, I did.
Don't put that in.
Why not? Right. Cheers, babe. Yay, we made our anchor.
Emmy, how you?
What?
Okay, so we've had an awesome time here at anchor. So what we're going to do now is retrieve the anchor and see what, effectively it's been picked up. Is there any mud, sand? I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, that went really smoothly. Clean as you like, the anchor, no debris on it, nothing. The Kong performed brilliantly, just automatically turned and just came on board. Really, really pleased. That's just a massive improvement to what it was. So yeah, sarcaexcel, brilliant anchor, well pleased with that. And yeah, looking forward to many more nights, days at anchor.